Yo. Oh my god. I feel magical. Okay. I am in my makeup setup. So you know what that means. I'm gonna be doing my makeup. But not just any little makeup look. Oh no. We're gonna be doing the bratz challenge. When I told my brother about it, he goes,
"Who's brat?"
So I'm gonna be doing the bratz challenge, which is basically recreating a brat that was recreated by someone else, I think. I don't know. I'm going to be recreating this brat. Hopefully it turns out good. I don't have black hair, I don't have a wig, but we're gonna do the best we can. I think I'm most excited about making those big brat lips, but yes, we're gonna recreate the look as much as we can. So yeah. So her face makeup is relatively normal. There's no like cute freckles or anything. It's just the basic. I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do regular face makeup, and I will be back for the eyes, lips, and everything else. Okay, I look high-key, low-key scary right now because my eyes aren't done. So I'm like, it looks like she has a whitish, greenish cut crease, and then liner to kind of like finish off that like, so, okay. I only have eyeball tape, so, oops. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna prime my eye. I'm gonna go in with this white and this nude. And then I'm gonna take some of this green and a little bit of this green and just use it as like a transition shade. One's out and stuff. Hello, thank you. And then I'm gonna take just the green. But then I'm gonna go with the green and the dark brown so we can start like shading like this whole thing. So I'm going to actually take a little bit of black too. I'm going to go in with this little fluffy brush and put it in the light green and the yellow. Social Blade and B. Use code James for 10% off your Murphy purchase. Like that. Okay, I think that looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the crease. So I'm gonna cut it with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and see how that treats me. So I'm just gonna, okay, crease is cut. So we're gonna go in with some flashback and like kind of set it, I think. Now I'm gonna take white glitter, basically. I don't know if she has liner or not. I gotta check. Yes. Yes! So she has liner, which is great because I love it. So I'm just gonna go in and do that. Here's the most satisfying part, taking off the tape. Oh no, the liner is kind of messed up. Next is like white liner. So I'm kind of just gonna like I'm gonna do the other eye off camera real quickly, and then we'll do lashes and then the rest. Okay, the eyes are all complete. I'm actually pretty happy and excited. I literally look like a doll, and that's kind of the point. So I'm going to pop on these lashes. I'm gonna do it off camera because I'm not super good with them and I don't wanna get embarrassed. So, okay, so the eyes are all done. I don't normally wear fake lashes, so this is like really weird. Now, it's time for lips. I am so excited. So the lips kind of like ride up like to right about like here and down here. And I actually don't have any lip liner So I'm just gonna have to go in straight with lipstick. So I'm gonna go in and kind of just like do the outline in this. No, it looks weird and it looks like bad, but like it's the bratz. We're gonna add some gloss, obviously. I mean, come on. How can we not add gloss? I feel like a brat. Okay, now it's time for highlight. Yee! Okay. Don't want this going anywhere. Oh my god. Okay, so my bratz doll, or the one I'm recreating, my bratz doll. Ha! Her hair is just down, so I just took the clip out, and it's just gonna stay down. The earrings, I'm just gonna go with like these. So I'm just gonna pop these down. There. Ew. And we got the other. Okay. She had like an off-the-shoulder white sweater on, so that's what I'm gonna wear. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I had so much fun recreating this look. So thank you so much for watching, my lovelies, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.